up, guys?
So we got food because it's been a long day and we needed food.
We're here in Chicago and we are doing dinner.
And we are trying
Kong dog. Which, if you don't know, Kong dog is a Korean style corn dog.
Oh, I'm so excited.
So we are very excited. We have, I shall show you, we have a Flamin' Hot Cheeto with spicy mayo.
I got the spicy mayo. You got the Thai one.
No. There's spicy mayo on it.
Not bad. I got the fried potato one, and I got the spicy mayo dipping sauce. And then we had to try an original because obviously
we've never had a Korean corn dog before. So we've got the original.
The original, it has just the sausage, while both the other ones have the half mozzarella, half beef.
Yes, and this one, so the original dogs, they are, I think it's just like it's like a sugary coating,
Yeah.
Brown sugar coating or something. So that will be interesting.
And then I'm trying an ube latte.
And I am having a matcha latte. I've had many matcha lattes, and
If done right, it can be very good.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna try this first.
Okay, you go ahead and do that.
I'm being extra and getting the straw, even though it doesn't have but what? I can find the. Oh.
Very earthy. Wow. Okay.
Oh, that's a trip. That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know if you like that one.
I do like matcha.
Okay. Alright, Ube. Yeah.
Oh. Both of these
You know
are
what? Rematch.
We do not. But it matches
Your
your
Christmas.
Christmas.
Okay, I guess I match either way, right? Hey.
But yeah, I've never tried ube before, and now I'm pleasantly surprised.
Alright.
Really good.
Yeah. Drinks. Thumbs up. So rating it out of 5.
Out of 5, I have to give it a 5. Like a 5 out of 5. Like
I'm gonna say mine is a 4, just because I like my my matcha latte is a little bit sweeter. This one is very strong and very earthy, which is fine if you like them like that, but I have a little more of a sweet tooth. Okay.
We're gonna do a cheese pull. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my god, look at the cheese coming out. Oh god, okay.
I'm so excited. I've got to stand up for this.
Aww.
Not as much of a cheese pull, but we did get it delivered, so.
That is good.
Ooh. Yeah? Good?
Yeah.
Rating out of 5?
4, just because no cheese pull, but the taste makes up for it.
Alright. Fair enough.
Okay. So then, now on to Michelle's.
So I got the flaming hot spicy one, and we're going to try it, I guess.
Not try to do a cheese pull? Oh, no cheese pull. How was it though? Yeah? Rating out of 5?
Taste 5, but 4 because of no cheese pull. But really good.
Do we want to try the opposite? Sheila's trying the other one. Oh, that crunch.
Yeah.
That crunch almost like puts it up to a 5 for me.
It's really good.
Now the question is, which one do you like better of those two?
Mmm. Honestly, I like the
Flamin' Hot.
Flamin' Hot one better.
Ooh.
This is really good.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm trying this one. I'm excited. Oh, that smells good.
Oh, there's a cheese ball. There's a cheese ball. Oh, I think you're taking the rest of the cheese. Get back in there.
Oh my god, look at all the powder.
Yep. Oh.
Oh my god.
How good was that?
Instantaneously goes 5 and 5 for me.
Yeah.
There was a cheese pull. I'm so happy.
All right. We got to kick it up to a 5.
5.
So good. All right. So next we are going to try the original one.
Yeah. That's so ominous. So we're regular.
So this is the regular dog. It's sugar coated.
No, look at all that.
Look.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Look at it.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh. That is so good. Try the sauce.
We didn't even use our sauces.
Well, we had to, like, you know, get a little bit of the original taste.
No, well, I just took the bread with that one. With a little bit. That's pretty good. As we just go super fast, that's smart.
That's what I always do with my corn dogs, just push them up.
You see, normally I don't like corn dogs. This is the way to do it. For the original one, I have to say. Oh, we want to try with this one?
The spicy
mayo.
Right? Alright, guys.
Okay. The original, like, literally overall, like, 5 out of 5. Like, highly recommend. Like, these are so good.
This was amazing, and honestly, we will more than likely be ordering from Kong Dog again. So, if you're in the Chicago area ever, please try Kong Dog. They have the best Korean style corn dogs
that we've
ever tried.
This is our first time trying it.
But in the Chicago South Loop area, definitely do it.
Please remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Ring the bell for notifications. Share with your friends.
And we'll see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye guys.